Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. Today we are going to start the study of second part of the chapter Reach for the Top. In this part, we will study the motivating story of Russian tennis player Maria Sharapova. Again, we will become familiar with the fact that no obstacle in this world is powerful enough to stop you if you are fully committed to your goals. In this chapter, we will know that how Maria Sharapova surpassed all the difficulties of her life and ultimately became world number one women tennis player. Dear students, in the first para, the author says that after becoming successful, Maria Sharapova wore glamorous dresses and her smile was very sweet. But there is something that is totally mismatched with the glamorous dresses and sweet smile of Maria Sharapova. The writer further says that this mismatching element has lifted her to the top of the women's tennis. We also became familiar with the fact that Siberian-born Maria Sharapova took just 4 years to become world number one women tennis player. Dear students, on August 22, 2005, Maria Sharapova became world number one women tennis player. However, this fast growth in a badly competitive world began just 9 years before with a great level of sacrifice that few children would be ready to endure. Little Maria Sharapova, who was not just 10 years old, she was packed off train in the United States. That trip to Florida with her father, named Yuri, launched her on the path of success and stardom. But this success and stardom also demanded a heartbreaking 2-year separation from her mother named Elena. Elena, the mother of Maria Sharapova, was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restrictions. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson of life that tennis brilliance would only come at a price. Means Maria Sharapova learned that if I want to be brilliant in tennis, then I have to pay price for that brilliance. My dear students, as we already know that just for getting brilliance in tennis, Maria Sharapova suffered a heartbreaking separation from her mother. So in para number 3, Maria Sharapova says that I used to be so lonely. I missed my mother very much. My father, who was working as hard as he could to continue my tennis training, so he did not get time to even meet with me. In para 4, she continues to say that because I was young, so I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. The other tennis trainees would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to organize and clean the room. Dear students, in para 5, Maria Sharapova continued to say that in place of depressing me, that humiliation, that insult made me more determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself because of that humiliation. I never thought of giving up because I knew what I wanted to get. When you come from nothing, from zero, and you have nothing, then it makes you very, very hungry and determined. She further says that I was ready to face more humiliation, more insults, just to carry my dream forward. Now it's time to answer some questions. I'm going to ask you some questions, and all of you will have to answer those questions. Okay? Your first question is on your screen, and the question is Maria Sharapova belong to options are England, Russia, Germany, America. And the right answer is, my dear students, Russia. Now, my dear students, your second question is when did Maria Sharapova get the world number 1 position in women's tennis? Options are August 22, 2004. Second option, August 22, 2005. Third option, August 22, 2006. And fourth option is August 22, 2007. And the right answer is August 22, 2005. Now the third question, who went to United States with Maria Sharapova? Options are her mother, her father, her grandfather, her teacher. And the answer is her father went to United States with Maria Sharapova. The fourth question is, my dear students, how did senior tennis players in the United States training center treat her? Options are badly, sympathetically, loving, encouragingly. And the right answer is badly. Now, my dear students, the meaning of some of the difficult words are given here. You can take the help of these words to understand the content properly. And after that, your classwork is given. In your classwork, there is one extract based question and two short answer type questions. All of you have to write the answers of these questions in your copy, my dear students. So please start now. My dear students, I hope all of you would have understood the content properly and enjoyed the session. With the next module, next session, I will meet with all of you very, very soon. Till then, take care of you and thanks to all of you, my dear students. Thank you.